All right. Hey, Sid, Hamid, Brickfront Properties. All right, that house behind us, we started that 2 weeks ago. So this is the third Monday. That's our 100th house. And taking us inside what we've accomplished in the last 2 weeks. Now today's a new week. So by this Saturday, we got a pretty aggressive plan. We'll get all that things done. The goal is to get this house done quickly as possible, 6 to 8 weeks tops. We're making a lot of good progress. The electrician was here, the plumber was here, the HVAC guy was here, and so inside here we got all the roughing, the electrical roughings done. Okay, we got the roof replaced, the new roof in here. We're putting in new outlets, new wiring, and the kitchen. We had the guy come out, do the measurements for the kitchen cabinets, and the countertops. They're gonna fabricate that. That takes about 2 weeks to get it all fabricated and installed. So they're coming in about 2 weeks from now to put it in. So we gotta move fast. The basement, we got the electrical roughing in, all the electrical wiring, and then also we put some new ductwork into the house, and just inspecting everything extremely carefully, making sure there's no leaks, replace the pipes that need to be replaced, replace any ductwork that's bad. So we're just testing things very carefully, testing, verifying, validating, testing, verifying, validating, before we close up any of the walls and ceilings. Now that wall's coming down there, so there's gonna be a bathroom here on this side and a bedroom over there. So the bedroom's over there, the bathroom's here, and the washer and dryer. We're gonna move this electrical work and everything to that side. We'll put the washer and dryer there and have the vent go out for the dryer over there. And then on this side here will be the door for the bedroom, and then we'll frame this out here to put a closet. So the closet will be there. The bedroom's just like a 9.5 by 9 feet bedroom. We're gonna put a 36 by 36 window there for easements, and then run the new ductwork for the bedroom, as well as the ductwork and the exhaust for the bathroom. We got your exhaust for the bathroom, and you got the heat and air conditioner for the bathroom. And then we're gonna replace all the doors here. I'm gonna put a handrail. Gotta put a handrail on this side, and then we'll power wash everything, clean it up. We'll get the bushes and stuff cleaned probably by this weekend, and then tomorrow we'll start breaking over the concrete to get the 3-inch pipes and underground work together to get that started. We got all the material here that we need for the time being. So going upstairs, this is a half a bathroom here. So that's there right there. This is a pantry. So this is gonna be the hallway pantry. We're putting the light in here. The dining room, we got the recess lights in here. Ceiling fans gonna go there. New floors here. And then going upstairs. We're taking out the old plumbing so we can get the new diverters put in here. Okay, this is a master bedroom. The new installation is done. Electrical roughing is done. We got the first layer of skin. The tape. So it's got a little bit more work to do here. And master bedroom. Bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2, we got the same thing. Electrical rough-in. This is new installation. And the vent is right there. I'm going to replace the outlets here. And then this bedroom number 3. So the total house will have 4 bedrooms and 2 full baths and 1 half. All right, so it'll be 2.5 bathrooms and 4 bedrooms.
Vaya la noche que hay ahí, ¿ah?
All right, so this is the beginning of week 3, and the dust, man, that's how I get sick. Whew. All right, so we're doing pretty good. Nice neighborhood. We're gonna put up a sign here pretty soon, and we've been getting along with the neighbors, talking to the neighbors. So we're gonna put the driveway here last, and then clean up the outside. Landscaping is happening this week. All right, guys, Sid Hamid, Brickfront Properties, give you an update starting week number 3 on this project here. All right, take care.